So ano yung know-hows of trading? First and foremost, you have to know first why do you want to invest in the stock, or why do you want to play in the stock market. That has to be clear. Ano yung financial goal mo? Ano yung financial profile mo rin? I think I've said this in the last parang financial lesson I gave. Na ano ba? Gusto mo ba siyang long term? Gusto mo bang maglaro? Gusto mo bang gain agad? Gusto mo bang parang savings lang na bibili ka ngayon tapos antayin mo after 5 years baka tumaas. So iba-iba yung appetite. In the stock market, meron dalawang type ng tao na nagde-trade. Yung isang tawag doon is fundamental analysis. The other one is technical analysis. In layman's term, ang ibig sabihin ng fundamental analysis is long-term yung perspective ng person at saka based siya sa information about the company. If you'll see here, yung mga key lookouts niya, company analysis, future profit and outlook, ano yung economic condition ng company, tapos ano yung industry. Company analysis, parang, uy, Jollibee yan. So, ano bang kalaban lang ng Jollibee? McDo. Hindi, stable yan. So, isa yon. Ano yung future profit outlook niyan? Sa ngayon, medyo delikado pa siya kasi kabibili niya lang ng smash burger sa US, tsaka kaka-invest niya sa coffee bean. So, medyo bagong venture yon. Pero in the long run, yung mga expansion naman niya, magiging okay. Parang ganun. Economic condition, ako, in the current lockdown, people are still at home, so talagang delivery. Ngayon, if Jollibee is not able to adapt to that environment, baka yung profit or bottom line niya, ma-compress, so mahirapan siya. Industry analysis, essential industry ang food, so nandyan siya. May mga ganun. So, tapos, talagang kung gusto mong hardcore fundamental analysis, you look at their financial statements, you look at their 1, 2, 3 years, last 3 years profit data, tapos you look at, marami pa yung ratios for example, price to earning ratio, book value, etc. Hindi ko i-discuss yun, baka mag-nosebleed tayong lahat. Pero ano lang to, primer. So yun yung fundamental analysis. Parang you're going to buy a stock because you know that the company is stable, and number 2, mag-aantay ka ng 2, 3, 5 years or pwede nga pamana yan sa anak. Kasi by that time, tingin mo akit pa yung market price niya. So yun yung fundamental. Mamaya magpapakita ako ng example. The other is, the versus is the technical analysis. Technical analysis, walang pakialam yan sa news. Walang pakialam sa information sa company. Technical analysis rely on technical indicators. Meaning, ano ba ang technical indicators ng stock market? Ito yung medyo, magkakabiat pala muna ako. Now that nagkakaroon tayo ng ganitong primer, I would discourage you to go technical muna. Start with fundamental, just to protect your money. Pero may mga caveat yan kasi hindi ibig sabihin pagka good company yung binili mo, magigain ka. Not necessary yun. Hindi yun laging totoo. Yung technical analysis, it looks at the technical indicators. So one is, we have some moving averages. We look at charts. I'll show you later. Because we also look at other indicators. So ito, magiging actual na yung ipipresent ko sa inyo. Before trading, ito muna, papakitaan ko muna kayo. So ano yung gusto niyong stocks na tignan? Or ano ba yung alam niyong stocks? So for example, ito, I'll show you Jollibee. JFC yung stock code niyan. So Jollibee Food Corporation. So, sa makikita nyo dito, I'll show you things you have to know. Itong previous, this one, that's the price, the prior trading day. So, for example, Tuesday today, yan yung price niya, ending price niya the other day. Yung last price here is kung ano yung closing price today. Sige, wag muna natin isipin. Mga key information that I'd like to show. outstanding here, it means these are the outstanding shares in the market. Meaning, ito yung number of stocks na pwedeng mabili ng sino man, either individual investors or financial institution. Basta yan yung inallow ni Jollibee na maging tradable. So, kumbaga meron siyang 100 stocks. The company can choose to sabihin niya na, hindi, ang gusto kong maging available sa public, 5 lang out of the 100. Pwede yon. Or pwede rin na, sige, buong company ko, kapatrade ko sa market. Ang risk naman kasi nun, kasi pag pinatrade mo sa market, ibig sabihin, you're saying na, I'm willing to have the likes of Alcarazes, Toledos, Dupagens to own a share in my company. Yun yung ibig sabihin nun, na pagka nag-list ka sa stocks. Pero kung gusto mo exclusive sa'yo yun, hindi mo siya ipapatrade sa stock market. Or kung gusto mo na, sige, dahil kailangan ko ng funding, pero gusto ko ako pa rin yung controlling stake. Pwede mong gawin na, sige, 20% lang ng available shares yung pwedeng i-trade ng market. Para yung 80%, ako pa rin magko-control. Yung 20, sige, para lang may pang-funding ako. So yun yung outstanding shares. Ang wala lang dito sa platform na to is yung concept of public float. Yung public float kasi, the smaller the public float, ang ibig sabihin ng public float is ano yung how much of the company can be traded by the public. So if the public float is low, ibig sabihin konting-konti lang. If the public float is high, ibig sabihin maraming may hawak, maraming public yung may hawak. So maraming available, maraming supply sa market. So just like economics na demand and supply, the smaller the supply, the easier it is to make the price move. Kapag maraming supply, syempre, marami kang competition eh. So, hindi mo madaling pataasin or pababain yung price. So, may factor din yun. Yung mga traders, meron silang sinasabi na pag ang public float mo manipis or maliit lang, mas mabilis yan paliparin or pabagsakin. Kasi, kung sino may hawak ng, di ba, 10% lang yung public float, tapos may isang group na ang hawak 5%, pwede niyang igalawin yung presyo ng mabilis. Pero kung halimbawa, kasing laki ka ng Jollibee, malaki yung public float mo, hindi mo basta pwedeng laruin yung presyo. So yung movement niya, medyo mas realistic. Next is market capitalization. Lalo sa fundamentalist or yung sa long-term investor, this is one of the indicator. Market capitalization means this is the market perception ng value ng company. So for the sake of Jollibee, ang tingin ng company with the current price of 137, the Jollibee is worth 152 billion pesos. Yun yung market value ng Jollibee. So ibig sabihin, ang tingin ng market, ganun siya kamahal. Iba yung usapan na, ganun ba yung kinikita ng Jollibee? Hindi, not necessarily. It doesn't, market capitalization does not necessarily mean the income of the company. Market capitalization is the value. Why am I saying this? This is very important kasi for example, merong bagong listed company, si Dennis Uy. Ang tawag sa kanya, Mary Mart. Para siyang 7-Eleven, Pure Gold, SM Hypermarket type. Yung market capitalization niya, ang sinasabi nila, kasi kaka-open lang, di ba? Pero yung market capitalization niya, parang mas malaki pa sa ibang established retail stores na hindi pa nga nag-ooperate. So, ang laki na kagad ng valuation sa kanya. So, to a fundamentalist, pwede nang isipin, ayokong galawin yan kasi overpriced yan. Ang actual book value niya is just 0.5, 0.7 or 50 cents or 70 cents. Pero right now, it's trading at around 3 pesos. So imagine, if fundamentalist ka, avoid mo yun. Kasi I don't believe in that value. I haven't seen the track record of Mary Mart na kaya niya mag-perform na isa siyang 3 billion company. Parang ganun. So, kapag magte-trade ka, again, kung fundamental approach ka, investor type. Kung investor type ka, yun yung magiging isa mong titignan. So, itong Jollibee, so yun yung market capitalization niya. For example, sa SM, we'll go to SM. Yun yung fundamentalist, di ba? Titingnan mo yung market capitalization, titingnan mo yung financial statement, nag-make sense ba siya. Pero kung trader ka, meaning ikaw yung technical analyst, yung talaga mo-monitor mo yung mga price, so parang maglaro, pupunta ka sa charts. So, merong chart. So, wag kayo ma-confuse wag rin kayo ma-intimidate. Ano lang to, chill. Gusto ko ipakita yung charts, not just because of technical aspect of it, but also for fundamental. I'll show you something. This is the stock of the chart of Jollibee. In 2001, Jollibee's stock price is only 10 pesos. 10 pesos lang So for example, as early as 2001, nag-decide ka nang bumili kasi naniwala ka kay Jollibee na hindi, in the long run, magiging stable yan. And you decided to hold it on until, for example, until now, nakita niyo yung price kanina, di ba? Ano siya? 137. So for example, nag-invest ka ng 10,000 pesos, yung 10,000 pesos mo, naging 137,000 in 20 years time. So, merong ganon na yung Jollibee, and even in 2009, umakyat pa siya to 50, plus it peaked at 300. It peaked at 300. So, ibig sabihin, kung ikaw gusto mo lang, parang, ay, wala akong mapaglagyan ng pera ko, sa Jollibee ko ilagay, sa stock market. Bumili ako ng 10,000. Yung 10,000 mo, naging 300,000 noong 2019. So, yun yung long-term investing. Or pwede rin na nag-start ka lang sa stocks noong 2016. Yung 20,000 mo, nilagay mo sa Jollibee. In 3 years time, naging 30,000 siya. So, meron parang 50% gain ka. So, yun yung yun yung gusto kong i-share dito. Pero again, hindi siya laging bed of roses or gain lagi ang stock market. Kasi posible rin na, halimbawa, naririnig mo na yung mga balita sa stock market. May mga nagbabalita na, uy, kumikita ako sa stock market. Tapos nag-decide kang bumili. For example, bumili ka noong 2018. Bumili ka sa 300. Sige, long term ako kasi Jollibee will be stable. Okay lang yan. Bibili ako, lalagay ako ng 30,000. Hindi mo, dahil long term ka, hindi ka masyadong nag-check, wala kang pakialam, hindi ka masyadong nakikinig sa news or sa kung paano yung current environment, yung 30,000 mo now, naging 13,700 na lang. So, nangalahati yung pera mo. So, pwede rin talagang mangyari yun. Again, if you're going to invest in the stock market, okay lang maging long term. As long as somewhat, you're also klaro sa'yo yung objective mo, as at the same time, you keep yourself informed of the business news, market environment, economic news. Explain ko lang, sorry. Again, di ba at 300, nag-peak siya first quarter 2019. Bago pa mag-COVID, nag-start na siyang bumagsak.
Yep.
Kaso significantly, nung nag-COVID, ito yon mga March yan, from around 150 to less than 100. So again, ano rin to, timing, may timing play. Sa Jollibee, nag-300 siya, pero when they started buying Smash Burger na, loss-making business ang Smash Burger sa US. Tapos pumasok sila sa Coffee Bean, na loss-making din yun because of the Starbucks, at saka ang daming competition. May Mr. Donut, may McDonald's coffee pa. So they started dropping. Pero kung ikaw pero pwede rin na, halimbawa, uy, bumagsak yung stock market, mag-invest na nga ako. So halimbawa, pwedeng nakapasok ka dito sa 100. Sabi ko, 100, pasok na ako dyan, long term naman ako 5 years from now, aakyat uli yan sa 300. So ngayon, dahil in 3 months time, yung 10,000 mo, nag-gain na ng 30%. So, pwede rin yun. Meron, kumbaga again, it's a timing play. You have, if you're going to be in the stock market, again, sabi ko nga, you have to be clear why you're doing it. Kasi, for example, mag-share ako ng personal experience. Meralco is favorite stock of mine. Meralco is the first stock or one of the first few stocks I bought back in 2007.